Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show how to make an Edu email for free. It's a very easy and simple process and it works both on Android as well as on iPhone, and it also works in your laptop and in PC. So let's begin. First of all, just open your Chrome and just type 10minutesemail.net. Once you type this page will be open to you guys. As you can see, welcome to 10 minutes email. Your temporary email address was created as follow. So you can see over here, this mail has been created for you guys. Just simply tap on copy and just copy email address, and you can use in whatever you want, but this email can be only used for 10 minutes. As you can see over here, remaining time 5 minutes 8 7 second 6 second. So you can only use this mail for 10 minutes. You can also extend the time from 10 minutes to how much time you need. And if you want to use this exact email again, so just copy the recovery key. Just wait a minute, just let me copy. Okay, just copy the key, press on copy, and on the upper side press on 3 lines, and the first option, recover email address, tap here and then just tap that key and submit, and you will get the same exact email address. So as you can see over here, so this is the process how to make an Edu free email.